This awning is different than the instructions, and you have to slide 8 1-inch bolts underneath this flap, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom, to mount it to the trailer. Boy, they didn't make this easy. A Velcro flap over that would have saved me probably an hour. Yep. And then you slide them along there to where they mount to your trailer top tubes. Yep, and then they mount up there. Alright, well, it's coming together. This is our new Smittybilt Scout trailer. I got 2 water cans, 1 on each fender. We Herculined the entire trailer. I saw where several people did bits and pieces, and figured if we're going to be going off-road, doing the whole thing would make sense. There's the other water can. Our temps mounted, and we got 35-inch BFG all-terrain tires on Mickey Thompson hubs. It looks like the straps were made for a 35-inch tire. All in all, this is really a nice platform to start off-roading with. Yep. Well, that's it. I just had to point out these bolts. That's kind of crazy. All right.